Okay, hello everyone, welcome to my class. It's a pleasure to be with you today. My name is Susan Dewi, you can call me Susan. And I currently live in Surabaya. It's one of the biggest cities in Indonesia. And I like to travel, read books, and spend time with my family and friends. What about you? Arlindo, how are you today?
Hi Susan, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you everyone. I'm from Brazil. I'm living in Jundiaí. Thank you, Susan.
Okay, nice to meet you, Arlindo. Welcome to the class and enjoy the lesson. And what about the next one? We have Iris. Hello, Iris. How are you today?
Hi, Susan. I'm great. And I'm Iris. I'm from Brazil. I live in São Paulo. And I'm a lawyer.
Okay, great to see you, Iris. Welcome to the class and enjoy the lesson. Next one we have Priscilla. Hello, Priscilla. How are you today? So would you like to listening only, Priscilla? Or if you don't know how to use the microphone, you may have a look at our English student guide first here. Alright then, anyway, welcome to the class and enjoy the lesson. Next one we have Raphael. Hello, Raphael. How are you today? Alright, nice to meet you, Raphael. Welcome to the class and enjoy the lesson. What about our newcomer? We have Jean. Okay then, you don't have any microphone, so just listening today. Okay, no problem, but if you want to participate, you can use the chat box here to type your answer. Okay, now let's get back to our English student guide first. I just want to make sure that you know how to use your microphone correctly. So please have a look at number 5 here. Remember that before speaking, you have to turn on your mic by clicking on your microphone icon here. So just click here. It should be green like this. Means that your microphone is on and it's ready to be used. Also, it's very important to turn off your mic after speaking. So once again, please turn off your mic after speaking, because if you forget, you'll hear too much noise and also repetitions. So always remember to turn on your mic before speaking and then turn off after speaking. Okay, now let's get back to our topic of today, talking about the weather. And for the second slide, there's a question for you. So how's the weather today? You may have a look at the pictures to give you some ideas. Yes, Arlindo, please.
Oh, the first picture look like for the day sunny and small wind. Yes, thank you.
What about the weather in your country now, Arlindo? How's the weather today and what season is it in your country?
Okay, teacher. Today is all day long. It is very hot, but instead in the night, in the evening, start the cool wind, and now running a little. Thank you.
Okay, so hot. And what season is it, Arlindo?
Sorry, teacher, I don't understand.
What season is it?
Oh my God, it's autumn.
Okay, autumn.
Yes, in my country, the season is autumn.
Alright, Arlindo, thanks for the answer. Good job. Now let's listen to Sahar. And what's the season again, Sahar? Summer. Okay. Maybe one more volunteer. Please raise your hand. Yes, Raphael, please. Did you say that today is rainy? Raphael? Yes, Raphael, is that right? Because your voice is not really clear. Can you try to speak louder, please? Okay, I see. Alright, thanks, Rafael. And maybe one more volunteer. We have Iris.
Here in Brazil, we are the autumn season. It was hot all day, and now is a little cold.
Okay, I see. Alright, Iris, thanks for the answer, and I think that's enough for the warmer here. So let's move on to our lesson vocabulary. And on this slide we have 6 different pictures. What you have to do here is just try to guess what's the word for each picture. Okay, any volunteer? Yes, Iris, please.
First picture is a flower.
Flower. So what season is it? Can you guess? Is the name of a season?
It's spring season.
Okay, so let's check together. You don't have to say spring season. Just say spring, yeah? Very good. Now what about picture 2? Sahar, please. Okay, next one we have winter. Okay, well done. What about your Raphael? Picture 3. Summer. Okay, very good. Alright, thanks, Raphael. Now move on to number 4. Maybe our newcomer, we have Fang. Hello, Fang. What about you?
It is only hot. No?
This one is hot. Okay, let's check together. Very good. Now what about picture 5? Jane, please. Oh, okay, sorry. You have microphone problem. Maybe another participant. What about you, Priscilla? Ah, Priscilla also listening only. So back to you, Sahar. Okay, very good. Now what about the last picture? Thank you, please. Yes, Fang, I can hear you. Could you please try to answer the last picture here? Or Arlinda, please.
Teacher, can you hear me?
Maybe warm.
It's not warm.
I don't know.
So this one is also the name of a season. Yes, Arlinda. Is the name of a season?
I don't remember other season. Oh my god. Sorry, teacher.
Alright, then no problem. Maybe Priscilla. Would you like to try, Priscilla? So don't forget to turn on your mic before speaking.
Oh, I remember. Autumn. Autumn.
Autumn,
Yes, teacher.
okay. Or you can say fall. Yeah,
fall.
it's the same.
Fall, yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Alright, Arlinda, good job. And this time you need to put the words into groups. Is it seasons or weather? You may start from picture 1 here. Any volunteer? What about you, Iris?
Spring, winter, summer, and fall are seasons.
So just do number 1, please. Yeah, picture 1. For the rest, I will ask another participant, okay?
Okay, spring is the season.
Alright, let's check together. Very good. Thanks, Iris. Now what about picture 2, Raphael? And try to answer in complete sentence, please. Winter is it season or weather? So, winter is seasoned, yeah? So try to answer in complete sentence, Raphael. You need to start from the subject here is winter, and you can say winter is season, okay? Now what about number 3, Priscilla, please? Yes, Priscilla, just click on your microphone. I can hear. It should be green if it is on, yeah? And we have a question from Jane here. What's the correct pronunciation of autumn? Yeah, it should be pronounced autumn. Autumn, yeah? Okay, I think back to you, Arlinda.
Oh, teacher. Summer, it is season. Thank you.
Very good. What about the next two pictures? Sahar, please. Can you say that again? The back sound is so noisy. And try to speak louder, Sahar. Okay, very good. And what about the last one? Yes, Rafael, please. Fall, is it season or weather? Again, please. Fall is weather. It should be pronounced weather, yeah? Is that what you mean, Rafael? Weather. Is it weather, fall? Are you sure? Not that one? Maybe other participant can help you. Okay, so actually autumn and fall, they're just the same, yeah? You can say fall or autumn. It is the same meaning but different word, yeah? So autumn is just the same as fall. You can say it's autumn or it's fall, yeah? It's just the same. Okay? Alright. So, is it season or weather? Okay, good job. Thanks for the answer, Rafael. And so far, do you have any question about the lesson vocabulary in this slide? No question? Priscilla? Alright, so let's move on to the next part. Yeah, let's talk about the weather. And on this slide, I'm doing a survey. There are two questions that you need to answer. The first one is, what's your favorite season? Yeah, for example, my favorite season is summer, and I like to go swimming during summer. Yeah, you can also give some examples about the activities that you like doing during that season. And another question, do you like hot or cold weather? I like hot weather because, I love going to the beach. What about you? You may start first. Sahar, please. Okay, and what do you like doing in the spring, Sahar? Okay, very nice. And do you like hot or cold weather, Sahar? And why do you prefer hot weather to cold weather? I see. Alright, Sahar, thanks for the answer. And now let's move on to Rafael. Thanks for waiting, Rafael. Can you say that again, Rafael, and louder, please? Okay, summer. Can you tell us why and what do you like doing in summer? Okay, so I have a correction on your sentence. Instead of saying I'm like serving the beach, you can say I like serving on the beach, yeah? Or I like to go surfing, yeah? Or I like serving. You can say go surfing, Or just make it simple, I like to go surfing. Okay, and what about number 2? Do you like hot or cold weather? Do you have any reason why, Rafael? Can you tell the reason why? Just give a short reason. Because in the evening it's very hot. Is it the reason? Are you sure? Can you say that again? So once again, Rafael, would you please try to speak louder? I almost can't hear your voice. Your voice is so weak. Is it because you like to do, activities outside? You can say in the night, or at night, usually for a night you can say at night. Okay, thanks for the answer, Rafael. Now let's move on to Iris. Thanks for waiting, Iris. What about you?
I like summer when I'm the beach, but when it's hot, but I prefer winter because people dress up and dress better, and it's nice to see that.
So which one that you like most? Is it summer or winter?
Winter.
Winter, okay. And what do you like doing in this season, Iris?
I like to go out to eat with my friends.
Okay, you can say I like eating out, yeah, with my friends. Very nice. And do you like hot or cold weather?
I like cold, but sometimes I like hot when I'm in the beach.
And what about if it is cold, what do you like doing?
I like to watch a movie and eat popcorn.
Okay, very nice. Watch movie and eat popcorn. Okay, do you watch movie at home or in the movie theater, Iris?
I prefer to watch in my house.
Okay, so watching DVD at home, yeah? Alright, Iris, good job. Thanks for the answer. Okay, since that, yeah, everyone here is busy, yeah, on the chat box talking about the microphone. Yeah, I enable all the audio here, so if you want to participate, once again, don't forget to click on your microphone icon. So Priscilla, find this microphone icon, click on it. If it is green, means your microphone is on and it's ready to be used. And it's very important to turn off your mic after speaking. Yeah, how to turn off your mic? Just click again. It should be gray if it is off. Yeah. All right. Would you like to try, Priscilla? Just click on your microphone icon. Click on it. It should be green if it is on. All right. Just turn on your mic if you're ready, Priscilla. Now, whose turn is it? I think Arlinder. Yeah. Thanks for waiting, Arlinder. What about you?
Oh, teacher, my favorite season is summer.
Okay.
And I like hot weather, because in the hot weather, the people wearing small clothes, and I can drink beer every time. Thank you.
Okay. So you can wear, yeah, something casual, yeah, or you can only wear short, yeah. Wear shorts, for example, and drink beer. Okay, very nice. What about summer? Why do you prefer summer, Arlindo? Why do you prefer summer? Why do you like summer? And what do you like doing in summer?
I like summer because I can to do everything in the winter. I don't do who walking, ride a bike, and to go to the beach. Yes.
Okay, so if it is summer, you can do anything that you like. Is that what you mean? And do many activities, yeah? Outside. Okay, and I have a correction on your sentence, Arlindo. When you said, I can't do everything in winter, you can say, I can't do anything in winter, yeah? It's not I can't do everything in winter, but I can't do anything in winter. So anything here, normally we use it for a negative sentence. Okay? Is it clear for you, Arlindo?
Okay, thank you, teacher.
Alright. Now whose turn is it? I think Priscilla and Jane. Maybe you can type your answer in our chat box. Okay, I think that's just enough for the intertext here. So let's move on to our next practice. Iris, do you have any question? And Arlindo, maybe?
Teacher, I see the chat and I don't understand. Sorry.
Do you have any question about this slide?
No,
Okay,
I don't
no
have
problem,
the question.
Okay.
Thank you,
So
teacher.
let's move on to the next part. Okay. And another survey here. In your country, when is it snowy? For example, in my country, it's snowy in the winter. What about in your country? Arlindo, would you like to start first? And where are you from? Are you from Brazil?
No, unfortunately, in my country, don't snowy.
So when is it snowy? Don't you have winter?
Yes, there are winter, but isn't snowy.
So what's the weather like if it is winter?
Sorry, what the degree Celsius? Your question?
What's the weather like if it is winter?
I think I don't understand very well what your question. What
Okay.
look like?
Yes.
Or
So for example, if it is
Ah.
summer, it will be hot. It will be very hot. What about, yeah,
it's
in winter?
it's complicated because in my country in the winter sometimes I have 4 seasons in the same day. You understand?
Oh, really?
Really, it's change every time because wind or one running change the hot for winter is very difficult describe it about look like the winter in my country. Sometimes I I feel hot in the season winter, and the next day I have a very cold. You
Hmm.
understand?
Okay. That's a little bit weird. But isn't it snowy? Isn't it snowy? So there is no snow in the winter? That will be very weird.
No, I never see snowy.
You never see snow? Hmm. And are
No,
you from Brazil,
I
Orlando? Are you from
sorry,
Brazil?
teacher. Yes, I'm from Brazil. I believe snowing only in TV.
Okay, so you see the snow only from TV. I see. Alright then. Thanks for the answer. Now let's listen to other participant, maybe Sahar. Would you like to say
I-
something?
Sorry, teacher. If I remember, one time snowing in the south of my country, down my country. Oh my God! Next the Mexico. Okay.
Okay, I see. Thanks for the answer, Orlando. Now let's listen to Sahar. And where are you from again, Sahar? So snowy is also in winter, right? Yeah, I think you can move on to number 2, Sahar. So when is it rainy in your country? So in what season usually you have, usually it will be rainy. Summer will be rainy, okay. Alright, thanks, Sahar. Now let's listen to Iris. What about number 3, Iris? So when is it sunny? Yes, Iris? So don't forget to turn on your mic before speaking.
Can I speak, teacher?
Would you like to answer this question, Orlando?
Yes. I like to speak.
Okay.
I don't speak very well, but I like. In my country, the 18% of year it's sunny. I like sunny. Thank you.
So when is it? Is it in winter or other season, in fall maybe? You need to tell us about the season.
Oh, teacher, I don't think about season, but in the sunny.
Yeah, but this time you need to practice saying, if it is sunny, yeah, if the weather is like this, what season is that? Yeah, for example, in my country it's snowy in the winter. What about sunny?
Oh, thank you. In my country, it's sunny in the summer. Thank you.
Okay. Alright, good job, Orlando. And it seems that time is over now. Yeah, before I give you short feedback, do you still have any question about our discussion today? Orlando, Priscilla, Iris, Jane, or Sahar? Any question? No problem. Well, if you have no more problem, I think that's all for today, class. Thanks for coming and participating. For Priscilla, I hope you enjoy listening to your first class. Yeah, just try to practice again how to use the microphone correctly, and I hope you learned something today, Priscilla. Thank you. And for Arlindo, thanks for being active at my class. I really appreciate that. Overall, you need to improve more on your vocabulary. I hope you remember that autumn is just the same as fall. And correction for your sentence. Yeah, instead of saying I can't do everything in winter, you can say I can't do anything in winter. Thank you, Orlando. And for Iris, I'm so sorry about some technical problem that you had here. But overall, you did a great job. You have a good grasp of the topic. Just need to review again for the lesson vocabulary. Thank you, Iris. And the last one is for Sahar. Thanks for your participation. Yeah, I think overall you have no problem. Please review again for the lesson vocabulary. Alright, class, I think that's all. I will enable the slide for you, so please do the review by yourself and please fill out the teacher's quality survey because it's very important for me to know your feedback to improve my teaching skills. Bye, thanks, and see you.
Thank you, teacher. Enjoy your class. I hope to talk with you again. Thank you.
Okay, goodbye, Orlando.
Goodbye, Susan. Goodbye, everybody.